Find the velocity, acceleration and speed as functions of t for this given position function. So position function means rt. First we need to find the velocity. So that's vt is just the derivative, which is 2t to 1 over t. Next we need to find the acceleration. So the acceleration at is derivative of this velocity, 2 0 1 over t is negative 1 over t squared. 1 over x is x raised to negative 1, and we know that when we take its derivative we using power rule, n x n minus 1, which is negative 1 over x squared here. And we need to find the speed. So speed is just the magnitude of velocity, which is square root of, so here is the velocity components, 2t to 1 over t. We take the sum of these components squared. So 2t squared. So let me write 2t squared plus 2 squared, 4, plus 1 over t squared, 1 over t squared. Okay. If this quantity is a perfect square, then we can cancel square and square root. And looks like this is 1 over t quantity squared. 2t times 1 over t is just 2. Looks like this is a perfect square. Let me recall something here. When we have u squared and v squared in the middle, plus or minus, in this case plus 2 times u times v. If we have these three terms, then this is u plus v quantity squared. If you FOIL u plus v with u plus v, you're going to get this. So we have this situation here. Let me show you in the next step. This is 2t quantity squared plus, I'm going to come back here, 1 over t quantity squared. In the middle, let me write in this way, 2 times 2t times 1 over t. Okay, if we do this, then we can cancel t and t. So 2 times 2, 4. So this expression, in fact, this is exactly in this form. So this is same as then 2t plus 1 over t quantity squared. Okay, and t is bigger than 0 in this case, positive time. So this quantity is positive. Now we can cancel a square and a square root. That leaves 2t plus 1 over t. Generally this is absolute value. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is square root of x squared is not only x, this is absolute value of x. But if x is positive, then we don't need absolute value. In this case 2t plus 1 over t is positive, provided t is positive, and that's the case, it's time. So final